So welcome to this course on how to make money with Fiverr. And Fiverr is a really awesome platform to make some money doing some gigs. And I'm going to explain a little bit more of what is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a global online marketplace offering tasks and services beginning at a cost of $5 per job performed. The site is primarily used by freelancers who use Fiverr to offer services to customers worldwide. Currently, Fiverr lists more than 25 million services on the site that range between $5 and $10,000. Basically, it's a platform where you can offer or buy services, most of the times for a really low price. In this course, you are going to learn everything you need to start making money on Fiverr. So you're going to learn how to create an account. You are going to explore the platform with me, how to create a profile, how to create a gig, how to optimize your gig for better ranking, also how to create a video for your gig so more people can see your gig and you will have a higher chance of having clients. Create a system to deliver your work and optimize your time. Market your gig. You will also learn the value of extra gigs, which is something you will explore after. And you will also learn a different technique to make money on Fiverr. Fiverr is a really good payment system because they can pay you after you complete a buyer's order. The money is transferred to your Fiverr account. After you have money in your Fiverr account, you can withdraw your funds to either your PayPal account, credit your Fiverr revenue card, or even transfer money to your bank account if you live in the US. So I am already on Fiverr.com and we are going to head over to join so we can create an account. You can continue with your Facebook or with your Google, or you can simply enter your email. I'm going to enter an email right here. And you simply choose a password. And you can also choose your own username. Then you need to go to your email account and activate your account because they sent you an email. I'm going to do that. So like you can see, I went to my email and I confirmed with the link that they sent me, and now my account is activated. So like you can see, it's really easy to create an account on Fiverr, and my account is already created because I can see here my name and my profile. And this is the platform that you get when you log into your Fiverr account. This is their platform right now. Of course, they sometimes change it, but it's always something like this. So here you can see featured gigs. Then here you can check the categories where you can find a ton of gigs. Here you can also post a request and get sellers to offer their own projects. And here you can find services. So if you search for article, for example, you will find a ton of articles, a ton of gigs that a ton of people that write your own articles. And like you can see, there's a variety of prices. Like this girl over here makes it for $5 basically. Mine is in euros, but it's $5. This guy over here charges basically $180. Let's see why. So he seems very professional. I think so. And he will write 500 words for this price. So like you can see, you have a ton of different options with a ton of different prices. And that's exactly what we are going to do. We are going to create our own gig and try to start making some money on Fiverr. So now we are going to create and edit our own profile. To do that, I'm going to click on my name here, and this is my profile. And of course, I can edit my profile to make it much more attractable to possible customers. So here I can place a picture of mine. I really recommend you to put your own picture because this is really important for the people who buy. They really want to see who they are buying from. I'm just putting this picture over here that it's now uploading. Here you can write something about you or about your life. You can write a quote, for example. I'm going to write one probably. Let me think. I really like this one, which says, "Impossible is nothing." Of course, you can always change this whenever you want to. Here you can activate your vacation mode if you are going to travel. This will stop people from buying your gigs because you are on vacation and you are probably not working. It takes a little bit of time to upload because my picture is a little bit heavy. Then you can write your description, tell us more about yourself and things that you are learning as a person, whatever. You can write everything you want here. You can put your languages here. This is really, really important. I'm adding English as fluent, I guess. Then, no basic. I'm going to add Portuguese as my native language. I also know a little bit of Spanish, not much though. So I'm putting conversational. I do know a little bit of French, but not much. So I'm not putting here. Then you can add your own skills. You can also link to your accounts, Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, and these two platforms too. So I'm adding skills over here, and you can add the experience level on those skills. Then you can also put here education and put your degree, and if you have a college degree or anything you want. And you can also add some certifications or awards. And this, of course, will give a lot of credibility to your gigs and to your accounts. I'm going to add the skill. So here's my profile. I added this picture, but of course you can change it whatever you want, whenever you want to. I have this quote here, which says, "Impossible is nothing." Then I wrote a really small description about me, but you can add whatever you want here. Talk about your hobbies, what you like to do, what are your skills, your general skills. Then here you add your languages. I had English, Portuguese, and Spanish. And you can add your language level, which is really, really cool. Oh yeah, I'm actually adding French. French. But I'm adding a basic level. Then you can link to your profile, your accounts, social media accounts. And here you can add skills. So you click on Add New and you write a specific skill that you have. Let's say you do voice over. You click on voice over and you add your experience level. I'm going to put beginner. And like you can see, I already had some skills over here that I put: video editing, script writing, content writing, blog writing, and others. Here you can add your college degree. I don't have a college degree yet. And here you can put certifications that you have from specific companies or whatever you have that you feel that you can put here.